Morning everyone. I hope you're all having a good day. It's a good day around here. The weather has been nice and it has just really inspired me to get going on my spring cleaning and organizing. A few months ago, I did a video showing my junk cabinet and how I got that all organized, and it has been so wonderful. That really motivated me to get the rest of my kitchen organized. I went through all of my drawers and got those organized. A big thank you to Bayer for sponsoring today's video and for inspiring me to get my junk cabinet cleaned up and stocked up with Bayer products to replace all of the expired products that I had in there before. It was really bad. I did find everything I needed at Walmart. This Lazy Susan has been the best. It has all of our daily vitamins right here, making it quick and easy to grab them in the morning. A big goal for me in the new year was to focus on my family's health and wellness. So let's see what we have here. The little kids love the Flintstones Children's Complete Multivitamin Gummies. They provide everyday nutritional support for our kids. One a day men's VitaCraves multivitamin gummies are for Casey. Taking these along with a balanced diet supports physical energy by converting food to fuel with B vitamins and healthy muscle function with vitamin D. And also these one a day teen for her VitaCraves gummies are for Bray. She's always on the go and they are a great support for bone, health, and physical energy by converting food to fuel. I also got a smaller basket with a few Bayer products, including these vitamins to keep in her room too. Sometimes she's in a hurry and just kind of flies through here, so this way she can take them before she comes down. I really love these baskets, and I will leave a link for everything down in the description box below. It's made it really easy to keep the cabinet organized because everything has a place, and I want my whole house to be the same. Here are a few cleaning / organizing hacks that have helped my family. Okay, I know some of these things are going to seem pretty obvious, and they are, but they're just little things that have helped me and my family keep things a little more clean and organized around here. One of those things that I got was a big, tall garbage can for the office. My kids love to color and draw, but they make big messes every single day. Now the kids know that any unwanted drawings or broken crayons go right into the trash can, and they have the responsibility of taking out that garbage once it's full. So I think that it is great to teach them responsibility and to make sure that they're cleaning up after themselves. This is something that I saw someone use years ago on TV, and I started to use a mini broom for the kitchen countertops. This makes cleanup way easier. I can dust and sweep up all the little crumbs that are constantly left behind. Just make sure that everyone knows that this is only to be used on countertops. Never on the floor, never anywhere else, only countertops. This has been very helpful in the bathroom. A toilet paper holder. Duh, right? I was keeping all of our extra toilet paper in a cute basket behind the toilet, but it was way too tempting for them to play with when it was right there out in the open. Now it's out of sight, but we still have extra toilet paper when needed. Laundry is top of my list, most dreaded chore. My children make this a little more complicated by mixing their dirty clothes with their clean clothes all over their floor. These taller hampers hold more laundry than the smaller baskets I had in their rooms before without taking up too much space, and they fit easily behind their door. I found all of the products that I used at Walmart, and again, I will leave a link down below. I really hope that some of these little hacks will be helpful for your family. They've really helped mine. And if you would like to hear any of my other little hacks that might be kind of obvious, let me know and I will share those. And I would also really love to hear any of yours. Now I'm just going to finish cleaning because I have a lot more cleaning and organizing to do before my house looks and feels the way that I want it to look and feel. So I'm going to just get started with some of the regular things that I do. The next big thing that I'm planning on organizing is my pantry. Like I mentioned, I did get a lot of my kitchen organized after that video. I just went through and somewhat organized my drawers. I know it seems like a lot in there, but now everything has a place, and I just think that that's really important when it comes to organizing and cleaning, is to make sure everything has a place and that everyone knows where that place is. Sometimes my kids will put something in a random spot. I'm like, why would you put that there? And it's because they don't know where it goes, because I didn't tell them. So if everything has a place and everyone knows where that is, it just makes cleanup so much quicker and easier for the whole family. I will never pretend to be an organized human because I am definitely not that, but these are just little things that make sense and have worked out well for me and my kids to be able to just get things picked up quickly and easily. So I know, I'm a little unorganized around here. But just from one unorganized human to you, these things are helpful. Okay, taking a lunch break. I'm just mixing up a kale salad right there. And I'm cooking some chicken right here. And Layla is having some cereal right there. Hi. And I'm just getting finished in the kitchen. I got the living room cleaned. Feels so much better. And I got the dining room clean, the rugs all vacuumed. I got everything wiped down, including your plants. Make sure you're wiping down your plants. That is something that I always forget to do, and then they're just covered in dust. So make sure you remember to do that. I noticed while I was vacuuming, I really need to get my carpet cleaner out and clean my rugs because they are dirty. They're a little grimy. Anyways, I'm just gonna finish up in here and then do laundry. I despise laundry.
Finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio's playing our song. And then you stood there smiling at me as so many times before.